So we have finished with slide number 2. We can add up more slides using the right click with our mouse. We can actually duplicate the slide to keep the theme the same. Now let's just change lesson 1 on slide 3 to lesson 2 and lesson 3. Now you can use different images, you can use different animations, use the different panels that you have on specific items such as text or images or shapes or just about any other item. Use the different toolbars to add media, to add shapes, to add text, and to add even tables. If you need a table, you can change its rows number. Let's just make it 7, and its column number, and then use the handles the same way that you have used with the images to reshape your table. And now it's time to move over to ScreenFlow. Now ScreenFlow is the tool that will allow you to use the different sections of audio and video frames and to add them up using different transitions to add up voiceover or audio. So move to telestream. They are behind ScreenFlow. You have a free trial download that you can download to your Mac or even buy the app, which is basically one of the best I have used. Now let's move back to Keynote, and to use ScreenFlow, just launch it. There you will have its icon on the top bar of your Mac. You can play around with the different configuration. We will not get into the different aspects of ScreenFlow, but start recording, stop the recording, choose your audio sources. I'm using my Mac microphone, which is quite suitable, and then just open up the folder that you have saved your ScreenFlow video, and there you will see it. You have two sections. You have the audio section with the spikes. That's the way that you can recognize the audio section. And you have the section with the video frames. Now, as you can see, I have made some cuts to my video and audio sections. You do it for different reasons. You do it if you want to add up a transition between different parts of the video or the audio itself. The way to do so is to click on the specific section, move to Edit, Split Clip. And that way you will actually split your clip into two. Now, if you want to silence part of the audio, let's just move the scrubber. That's the scrubber. That red line is the scrubber. Move the scrubber to the place that you want to split the clip. And now your clip is splitted. So I will pick that section, move to the audio panel, and here in volume I can just turn it off. You can move around between the different sections using your scrubber. You can zoom in into the different sections using the zoom panel, where you can actually make very granular touch-ups on the different areas. It can be either audio or video. And we can also zoom out and zoom in our main screen using the Command minus and Command plus. Now let's move back to Keynote, record our intro video and add it up to our lesson.